Hi guys, welcome back to Visual Mastery. Today I'm going to show you how to open pinned software without using mouse. So without any further ado, let's get started. In our computer, we used to download or install a lot of games and application software like Chrome, Zoom, Skype, Firefox, etc. And we used to pin the software that we want in taskbar also. And most of the time we have to use our mouse to bring here and open the software like this. If you want to open the software from the taskbar, you don't need to bring your mouse in this taskbar anymore. Instead of bringing your mouse in the taskbar, you just need to press Windows key plus 1 and it will open the first software from the left. I have opened the file manager here. Now if you press Windows key plus 2, it will directly open the Chrome, and if you press Windows key plus 3, it will directly open the Firefox. If you press Windows key plus 4, and it will open the Photoshop here. And also you can change the place that you like and keep open like that. And if you want to close all the tab that you open, you just need to press Windows D or M. By doing like this, you can always increase your workflow and flexibility. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching my video.